Hey everyone, it's Skylar. Welcome back to the channel. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing very well. Excuse the hair. I only managed to get some sleep this afternoon because Dickhead decided to wake me up early. Because my fault really, because I didn't get to sleep till 8:15 this morning because I wanted to catch up on some films, which I'll probably be doing again tonight, but doing it a bit earlier so I can get a bit more sleep. So anyway, something came in the mail today. I've got my tri pack, as you guys know, subscription pack I get every week, and another one is a very special surprise, which I'm hoping it is. And if I think I know what it is, we will go into more detail. So we'll do the tri pack first. I don't know whether they've changed it for me or they've given me the same, because I'm really happy with what I've had so far. So I think they've given me the same. Yeah. I want to change this to lemon and lime though, so I will be changing my pack soon. Even though I do like this, which is the tropical fruit hydrate, I do love my strawberry and like my lemon and lime. This is my favourite of the protein bars, and that's my second, so these will always be the same. There's a raspberry and goji one that I like as well, so, and I do like that as well. So pretty much I'm happy with my tribe. Yep, that's the one I like. I like the strawberry and goji. So yeah, this one, I like that one. So we've got that one out the way. So very happy with my tribe stuff. I only get a 6-pack because it's cheaper that way. So, oh, and I've just dropped what I needed. Bear with me. These actually come yesterday, but I had to go to the sorting office for them today, or somebody else did, while I had to catch up on some sleep. Right, so I've got that done. That's done because I want to carefully open it, if you get what I mean. Without like showing you, but this has been like checked, the contents have been checked for this, so I've got an idea of what it could be, and if it is, I would be so happy. So yeah, I don't know if I showed my address there, but oh well, it happens. Right, now I've finally prized it open. Oh, almost. I forgot one more bit. Crazy day. Right, this is what I've been waiting for. I've told the story. I'm gonna say how it is. I had these rare limited edition Cath Kidston glasses, which I thought you could never be able to get. One shop, one place other than my glasses company, Specsavers, does the glasses that I need. They were slightly a bit higher. But I finally got them because my other pair of glasses were stolen out my house. And the person still won't admit that they've took them. So I can finally do my blog post. Yep. So they come in this box like this. So you're going to get an unboxing as well. And everyone knows I'm obsessed with Cath Kidston, like the vintage style and stuff like that. And yep, these are exactly the same. Exactly the same. I'm so happy. They're a little bit slightly bit different at the front. I might have to just go to the opticians and just get them to fit on me. But oh my word, I got my glasses back. I'm so happy. I've never been so happy in all my life, so I'm gonna get them changed over. I'll just say they're a bit loose. Can you sort of like change them over for me? But I look good now. I'm happy. My glasses are here. There's no messing around now. Nobody else is gonna fucking attempt to fucking try and rob these, because I need these for my eyes. So I'm happy. I can finally do my blog posts. They feel like so little, but I asked them to do a little bit higher for me. So I know that they're mine. So yeah, and they've actually got a bit of a tint to it as well. I asked them to put a bit of a tint to it, which I'm just checking. Actually ordered these in December, the end of December. They've got the scratch resistant on it, and they've got light grey tint to it. So I'm happy. So yay! I got my glasses back. So blog post coming in the next few days. Skylar style. Haha, I'm so happy. Oh, I can't tell you how much happy I am with about a pair of glasses. It's crazy. I've been crying about these since the fucking end of last month. So it was like about 10 days ago. My eyes have been hurting and everything, but I'm so happy I've got my glasses back. Unfortunately, because of the situation that happened, it's just crazy how people can do that. So yep, I got my tri-pack and I got my gigs. So I'm definitely watching some films and doing some work tonight. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. Turn that notification bell on and you will get a brand new video from me soon. Unless it's an unboxing, because I've got a couple of unboxings coming. So it's all good. So stay gaudy, have unpleasant dreams, and I'll see you all soon. Ta-ta for now. Bye.